It's never too early or late to start, to rise up and shine. Your beautiful smile, your beautiful life are waiting for you to shine bright. It's never too early or late to start, to rise up and shine.
So, stop over muna kami here sa Thames. Ayan, ang pangit nga ng weather dito yan sa Balzac. Ayan. So magpapalagay kami ng kape dito. Ayan. Okay. Ayan, ang pangit nga ng weather. Tingnan mo. Ayan. So order muna kami kasi it's a long drive. Ayan. Ayan. Order lang muna tayo.
I found, you know how in Dunkin' they have the Bavarian cream? Here in Canada, it's Boston cream.
Boston cream. It should be a Boston cream. Asan itsura niya? Yan. Oh, sa inside.
But like in
where siya? Yan.
right there. But
Oh,
usually when I
Boston
get it,
cream daw
yeah,
siya.
but usually when I get it at Dunkin', it's Bavarian cream.
Oh. That's good. That's good to hear na nandito yung Bavarian cream mo na Dunkin' Donuts.
Because I was talking with my friends and I was like, we have Bavarian cream. I've been trying to find that flavor here.
Oh.
And they're like, that's Boston cream. Here.
Oh, that's nice to
It's sad
hear.
that they don't have Dunkin' here.
Oh, yun lang. Eh, marami naman dito. It's still donut.
It's still donut.
Whoop, got
Oh, Boston.
Boston?
Sprinkle donut.
Okay.
This is so sprinkly.
Okay. Try mo na. Oh, yun pala
Guys,
yun.
you could tell. Look, it's so sprinkly.
Wow.
In the side, you could tell they like some cream on it.
Wow. Yummy. Okay, enjoy.
Next one up, the vanilla. Well, I got Boston cream.
Oh.
Boston! Boston!
May tinapay tayo, hindi na makain yan, ha? Sawa na din kasi sila dyan. Okay, enjoy guys. Okay. Yan, foggy nga siya. Ayan. Ito yung cross iron eh. Okay lang. Let's enjoy. Mamawala din mamayang hapon.
Wait, don't. We're going on a family trip to, what's that called again?
Rimrock.
The Rimrock Hotel and Resort. Ooh.
Rocky.
Let's see. Tingnan natin kung maganda mamaya ang view kasi pag ganito hindi natin makita yung kagandahan niya.
Mali.
Buti lang maganda yung weather. Kasi kanina napaka-foggy niya. Doon sa ayan, doon sa uy! Sobrang na ba niya?
Are you excited?
Tumili siya. Nung nakita niya to eh, excited eh. Tumili. Ayan. Tapos dito na side. Malayo pa kasi.
Tawiran ng mga deer.
Deer, no? Mga animals.
Animal. Mga animal. Tatawid ng mga animal ngayon. Tatawid ng mga animal. Dexa, tunnel.
Number 1 yung nagdadrive.
Mga animal tatawid.
Ang laki ang laki ng ginawa nila na to ah. Ay, under construction pa kasi kaya ano. Pero ang ganda niya.
Dexa, are you ready, Dexa?
Oh, Dexy, Dexa.
1, 2,
I-stress nyo, ilabas nyo dito.
3.
Kasi nagpa-video si Mama. Yeah, kasi yung copyright na, makopyright tayo. Wow, ganda.
Bago ka lang makakalaga.
Eh, tagal na din tayo hindi pumunta dito. 2 years siguro. 2 years? Oo. Wala na akong video. Kailan pa yung last na video natin na nandito? Nandito sa phone ko, ano lang.
Oo, nag-hiking sila nito. Oh, yan, yung mga nag-hike.
Wow, ang ganda naman. Oh my goodness. Oh.
Mommy, do you know why I want an iPad?
Oh.
Because it's an app that makes
Hinga muna kayo dito. Ang daming dumadaan.
Mommy, that makes a map to make fun.
Okay, let's go take a picture too, like them. Where's Dexa? Dexa, come on! Ooh! Say hi! Okay.
What's that thing doing?
Oh, there! Halika! Andun siya! Andun siya! Come here! Yan na, Dexa! Andun! Halika, halika! Tingnan mo siya! It's a bird! There! Huh? Okay, say hi lang siya sa'yo. Hi! Sabi niya. Okay. Okay, here na tayo. Okay, come on, come on, come on. Doon tayo ipatayo na lang natin kung wala magpipicture sa atin. Hindi naman mahangin. Okay. Nakalock yung sasakyan natin, Dad? Yung phone, yung ano ko kasi bag ko nandun sa harapan. I mean, wag na, hindi na kailangan yung bag ko. Lock mo lang, please. Okay. Okay. Ganito siya. Tingnan natin. Ayan. Oh, ganda oh. Ayan, at least makakita naman tayo ng tubig. Yan lang puro city. Malamig, no? Cold. Cold. Oo, dala nila mga doggy nila. Dexa, smile! Si Mama's cam! Smile! Hey! Smile! Oh my God! Yung tuhod mo! Okay, go na dun! Agad na kami! Grabe ka, Dexa! Yay! I know! Careful, guys! Yan, buti lang ang ganda ng weather ngayon. Kanina kasi grabe yung foggy. Nakita nyo naman nag-stop kami, no? Sa Cross Iron. Grabe ang weather. Yan ang mag-ama. Careful! Okay. Okay, let's go! Yan. Ganda din ang view dito. Saan? Oh, yeah. maraming inn dito. Outside Banff. This is also hotel outside Banff. Yeah. So ito yung malapit na parang mga inn pero outside lang ng Banff. Yeah, yung iba dito sila nag-i-inn kasi medyo not costly compared sa mga hotel sa Banff talaga na proper. Yan, mas mahal. So yung mga iba dito lang sila. I think Canmore to eh. Same pa din ata, yeah. So family, same 21 pa din.
What's this? Guide?
Yeah, the guidebook, some park information there. How long are you visiting for?
Just one day.
Just one day? Pretty good. Just let me know at the window there. Just need a day pass.
Thanks.
Thank you. So ito siya. No, bukas ang expiration yan, anak. Yeah. If you get an pass, tomorrow pa yan ng 4 PM I think yung parang expiration niya.
Banff.
So ayan. So lahat ng gagamit ng Banff National Park mayroon kang parang visit fee. Yeah, $21 din siya. May mga iba na kapag palagi kang nag-visit ng mga national park yan, pwede kang kumuha ng mga 1 year na pass, pero syempre hindi mo ma-anticipate kung magamit mo lahat. So kami, ano lang, yung ganun lang. Kasi kasama yun eh, yung national park na yan. Kasama pag pupunta tayo ng Waterton. Yeah. Ito alam ko mandang busy, hindi kailangan eh, di ba? Hindi, oo. Kasi yung busy na pinupunta natin like mga Emerald Lake, hindi naman kailangan. Walang ganito.
Twice ka lang dito.
Kakaiba din ng Jasper, no? Pumunta tayo kasi first time siguro
natin. Kasi maganda yung may tulong siya ng snow. Yung nag-snow siya.
Alam nyo, May yun na nung pumunta tayo.
Kasi pangit na yung pag ganito, hindi mo siya ma-appreciate. Yan yung kagandahan niya, may snow.
Nung pumunta tayo.
Makakatapos nila yung ilang araw.
Oo. Parang nag-snow siya ng gabi niya. I don't know kung maganda din mag-travel dun pag sa winter time. Siguro pareho lang naman din, eh, no? Ganda niya sa video.
Ganda yun sa float.
Oo, ito dito siya. Ganda niya sa video din. Itong ganito niya. Kasi parang bundok. Green.
This is the bed, look.
Dexa, can you please stop that so that you can see the outside?
Enjoy.
B, tingnan mo outside, B, ganda, Anong the look it?
I see trees, Mom. That's it.
At least nakaka-relax siya. Yeah. At least
I can see the sun.
wala tayong parking eh. Hirap mag-parking. Ito yung ferry na to. Ayan. Ito yun eh. Ay hindi. Dito na tayo dati nila mami ko.
Doon tayo sa dito.
Nayaya. Ito yun eh. Nakita natin. Ito. Ganda din ng place na to.
Dexa, check the place, Dexa.
Dexa, check the place. There! There, baby! Yeah, remove mo para makita mo. Oh, see? Hindi ka magpe-play ng song kasi lagi ka nag-iPad. Stop the iPad, please. Okay, baba tayo doon.
Baba tayo doon.
Hindi kasi tayo makapag-park kaya hindi tayo makapunta doon eh. Tayo natin.
Dito.
Dito lang.
Dito. Delikado mag-paddleboard dito sa mahangin.
Oo, yun
So,
lang.
open.
At saka masyadong malayo. Gusto mo take picture kayo ni Daddy? Dalawa kayo dyan. Ang ganda. O, take picture. Hawakan mo yung ano. Hawakan mo yung ano niya, tay. Baka malipad sa kanya. River in downtown. O river? River in downtown. Ano saan? Yeah. Diretso na. Kung wala nang, hindi ka na makaano dyan. Makapark. Yung iba dun sila kako. Dun sila nagkagala-gala. Na, minsan nagpipiknik pa sila. Pangit pala magpiknik dito. Sobrang ano. Ito yun. Saan tayo sumakay? Kasi nga hindi nga sila makapark. Pwede mag ano, pwede mag-paddle, pwede mag-boat. Ayun oh, nagpa-pump sila dun. Hindi tayo makapark. Yeah. Yeah, I know. Tomorrow we will try, okay? Ito dapat kung ganito sana dito tayo. Maganda din pero at least naman maiba. May marami naman lodge here eh. Ito din mga ano yan eh. Next time. Nanguhuli? Oh, ito yung ano ibang ano oh. Caribou.
Ito yung puti.
Oh, yan yung puti. Ito yung gusto ko eh.
Maganda ito, ibang kulay. Mas maganda yung isa.
Ah, yung isa. Ito maganda din oh. Ano, pag lumaki siya ganyan siya. Pwede din.
Ano yung hotel na
Fox.
natin?
Hindi, Banff to. Ito yung Fox Hotel natin dati. This is the hotel, yeah.
When we went to Jasper.
Iba yun, anong inn? I don't know kung ano yung inn na yun.
Because the equivalent to what we're going right now would be there's a I know there's a really nice hotel in Jasper. Then but it's like not inside this
Jasper itself?
downtown.
Yung chateau na yun?
Yeah, the chateau. It's only like a few minutes.
Kaya gas dito. Tingnan niyo makita mo sa.
Okay. No, we cannot. Pero sarap lang din oh. Lakad-lakad sila oh. Pero mainit. Dapat hapon. Yung pa, ano na, yung breeze niya. High Country Inn, marami dito. Iba talaga ang ano ng, ang bundok may ano no, meron pang ano sana no, snow no. Wala na eh. May pa lang ngayon, wala na. Dati, kung pumunta sana tayo nang nag-book tayo ng birthday mo, yun yung meron pa lahat to. Pati naka ano pa, yung mga tubig pa eh, ano pa, frozen pa. Saan? Ito yung ano niya eh.
Saan ba yung washing?
Doon pa. Kasi dito, yung pa dito to eh. Doon pa yun. Yun sa dulo doon. Yun yun. Parang mapapawaw ko talaga na, oh my God. Ito lang yung...
Pag wala ng snow, hindi na siya.
Kawaw no?
Kawaw.
Okay naman din. Pag... Naginip ata. Yeah, we're here. We're here. Almost. Oh, ang ganda dun, no? Ganda na. Di ba, baby? Oo, cabin. It's not cabin. It's cabin.
Kevin yung namin nila malis.
Di ba, baby? Oh, na mo yun, oh. Ang ganda ng kain nila dun. Ano yun? Is that a hotel or a restaurant or something?
I think it's a restaurant.
Oh. Jasper, nagutom tayo sa ano. How much more dito sa Ontario natin? Ilang araw?
Oo, para-para yung motor
I
nila.
don't think we'll, we
Aray
wouldn't
ko.
starve there. Ontario has more cheesy options to go. I don't know,
Ayun
it's
lang.
like,
Oo.
Asian.
kasi ano dun eh, tawag dun,
Because Jasper's a rural town. Is the
bili lang sana tayo ng
Wow.
food eh. Oh, ganda dyan.
there's a lot of those actually in Anian.
Saan?
In Niagara.
Bili lang sana tayo ng food para makaalis na tayo, Dad. Hindi na tayo ano.
Maybe something like a drive-thru because Texas.
Walang drive-thru dito.
Ayan, so nag-stop over muna kami dito. Dito sa Banff downtown. Ayan, before heading to our hotel. So ganito yung tsura niya. So nag-park kami doon. May parking fee kaming $5 daw, 1 hour. So natulog kasi si Dexa, kaya magdadagdag pa kami ng 1 hour kasi kakain kami muna bago pupunta sa hotel. Ayan. So ganito yung Banff. Ayan, just sharing you guys. Ito ata yung magandang ano anak eh, magandang magpa-picture dito. Marami nagpapa-picture dito. Kasi makita mo yung bundok. Here, yung naka-close na yan, yeah.
Good for that.
Yeah. Saan? Sushi? Want some sushi? No? Okay. Hindi daw. So we're checking out yung Korean restaurant na gusto ni Dexy. Let's do it. Doon banda yun eh. Kaso lang si ading mo gusto niya ng fries. Tingnan natin. No, we will get some sa kanya. Yeah. Huh? Yeah. So ito yung fries nila doon. You have to put something on it. You have to ask it. Original and mozzarella sauce. Eh saan dito? Dalawa ba to? I don't know. So we will try. Oh, this is their chicken. Ayan. Then meron din si...
This one is. And
Yeah.
then this one is.
Okay. So, ayan. So, we will try their food. Korean food kami ngayon. Ano yan? Try mo kung tama yung binigay sa inyo.
Same one is the ugly. And this is the mozzarella. Wait, don't.
Uy, sarap. Dito ka daw, Daddy. Then we try this
What do you think,
chicken.
Dexa? Is it good?
Ooh, sarap. Okay. Okay, let's eat.
Kung may bata sa loob, oh. Sakto siya makatayo.
Oo. Naglilinis nga siya. May panlinis ng snow. So, ayun. Yun nga yung sinasabi namin kasi ano na pala dito. Just informing you na may parking fee na dito sa Banff. So, dito kami nag-park kanina.
1 hour, $5.
Yeah. Yun. 1 hour daw sabi ni husband is $5.
For 1 hour.
And then, nag-extend pa kami ng 20 minutes kasi si Dexa ay natulog. Maganda naman tong parking lot na to kasi meron siyang sariling washroom. Yan.
So, saan na tayo pupunta? Where are we going now, Dexa?
Where are we going?
Where do you wanna go? To the lake?
Dexa,
The
please
hotel?
sit down properly, Dexa. Sit down properly.
What hotel?
Where are we going, Dexa? What? Bakit rock? Ay, just go. Excuse me.
Oh, yan kayo kumain, oh.
Ayan, so dito lang kami.
Korean street food.
Yeah. Dito kami kumain sa Korean. Kasi itong si Dexie ay laging naghahabol ng Korean street food. So, natikman na niya.
Naubos niya ang pagkain niya talaga. Naubos na, walang natira.
Showing everybody. Ganda dito, no? Ganda yung mga view niya. Oo. And wala na eh. So hindi pala din maganda na ganitong month, no? It's May. Mga April, yun. March to April. Yan ang magandang pumunta din ng Baguio. Kung gusto mo makakita pa na yung mga alpine na yan eh, may mga snow pa. Oh my God, I'm so excited! Who's excited?
Hey, I'm gonna go to swim.
Huh? Huh?
I'm gonna go to the swim. I want to go to the swimming pool.
Okay, let's do that before you go to outside.
No, before I go to the room so I could be surprised.
Hindi ha, mukhang room na muna tayo, be.
First, so you can grab your swimsuit.
Yeah.
Just to relax.
Yeah. Room muna tayo kasi nga it's ready already. Okay.
And make me go to the washroom so I could not see the place. Yeah. You'll be surprised. Why do you want to?
Surprise daw.
Because then you'll still see it
Surprise.
after we go shower.
Yeah.
Because then you have to go back in the room to change.
So wala na ngang snow. Ayan. Iba na. Careful.
Forget me not pala.
Oh yeah.
Lexa, what's your plan once we get to the hotel? To go to the swimming pool and learn my swimming lessons again by myself, and that is going to be terrible. So you don't want to look at the room? Yeah, I want to look at the surprise. Okay.
Ayan na daw. Ayan na. Ito na talaga? Ito na. Oh my goodness. Ito na yung hotel. Aray ko. Nabingi naman nata ako dun, Dexa. Yeah, I know. O, ito na ang Rimrock Hotel. Yeah, this one. Excited si Dexa. Do that. Oh, may kinasal. May kinasal, guys.
You have like a ball right here.
Okay. I think
Where's the VIP parking? No, I'm just kidding.
We're just checking in today, guys.
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, excellent. Were you after any luggage assistance?
No,
no,
we can do
we
it.
Yeah, and were you going to South Park or Ballet Park?
Oh, just South Park.
Yeah, so I might actually send you just straight through to the car park, which is just the next left. You park on level 7 and it connects to the lobby, and you can just go straight through there and
So,
check in.
which one?
Just the next left.
Next left?
Dito mo kami daan,
Hindi,
daddy.
magkoconnect na daw sa lobby.
Ah, ganun ba yan?
Yeah.
So, parang mas maganda naman dito muna tayo, Dixie. You want?
Bakit?
Ito yung para tayo. Gusto niyo?
No, it's fine.
So, ikot si daddy niyo?
Yeah, para mag-park na.
Okay, sige. Okay.
Oh, ganda ng car nito. Huh? Wow.
Yan, ito ang lobby niya, guys. Yan. Ah, yeah. Ayun. Oh, it's the best day of
2
your life.
days is gonna be the best day of my life, but
Wow.
the second day, not.
So magsa-self-service parking kami, which is may bayad nga lang to. It's $29 din. Akala nga namin free. Ano ba yan? Ang mahal-mahal na hotel eh. May bayad pa.
Saan daw siya?
Yeah, dito I think. Yeah, ayun para meron siyang parking na sinasabi. And connects you to the lobby. Yeah, okay. So yun, kami nang magpa-park. So I don't know if yeah, magpe-pay ka na dito. It's $29 ang pay parking niya. Ayan. Oo nga, ano? Kasi hintayin pa natin siya. So I think here, ayan, meron tayong self-parking 25. I don't know kung ano na din to.
Here's parking.
Walang tao dito. So tayo lang ang papark, no?
I wanna go to swimming pool for you know why?
Oh, ano na naman?
Boiling hot.
Me too. Me too. Napaka-hot. Hati-hati. Ha? Eto na? And then where's the lobby? Dito? Papasok ka dito? Ah, okay. So, sige. Baba tayo. Ito na. Yung tuli natin. Di tayo kakasya. So, paano yung nasaan ang lobby?
Let's just say 4-7.
So, after check-in, ito, may dalawa kaming key. Yan. So, hi! This is the key. Yan. Ito na lang pala daw yung ating floor. So, nandito tayo. Okay. So, we're excited! Okay? Yeah. Okay. So, this is the lobby. So, yan ang lobby niya. Dito, banda. Yeah. Yeah. Ganda din, malaki ang lobby niya, no? Malaki ang lobby. Yes. Ayan. So, nauna na yung mga bata. Sige, sagit lang. Yung aking... Sige. Thank you. Excited sila. So, alam niyo kung anong room natin, Dexy?
781.
Nakay daddy mo yung key. Yeah. So this is our first time din na mag-ano dito. Parang old nga lang din siya, no? Hindi siya ganun kaano. Yan, tinan mo kasi, no? Mababa pa yung mga ceiling, no? So, the wing. Yan. No, we will not use elevator na daw. So,
Just go straight.
straight. Yeah. So, oh yeah, we will go here. Okay. Wow, Dexa! Who's excited?
781.
781. Wow! Excited!
For 781.
Look for 781. Oh my God! Okay, closing your eyes. Oh my God! Oh my! What? Oh my goodness! Medyo masilaw siya, pero tingnan nyo naman ang view. Pakita ko sa inyo, guys. Masilaw siya, pero tingnan nyo ang view. Oh my God!
I'm gonna pee first.
Napapipi siya.
I'm gonna enjoy peeing.
Wow.
I need privacy, please.
Oh my goodness, ang ganda nga naman.
Pee-pee.
Oh my, ito yung bubungad sa'yo.
Whoa.
Oh, oh, oh. Oh my. Yeah. The weather is nice too. Ganun kainit. Oh my. Oh, picture na, Daddy.
This is so pretty.
Yeah.
Look.
Sige na. Okay? Oh, di na mapakali yung isa.
Oh, there's two.
Oh.
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 Wait. Kind of gives haunted vibes, TBH. Give me privacy.
Oh. Okay.
Give me privacy. Oh, you
Okay,
can just
close
brush our
it.
teeth here.
Yeah. You can do your other things here.
Privacy, please. I need a pee.
Okay. Yan. So, ganito lang ang room niya. So, ano lang, quick tour. Ayan. So, pagpasok sa room, sa side na to, it's left side. So, dito yung washroom niya. Mostly, left side yung washroom. Sa lahat ng mga ano natin, no? May maliit lang siyang parang ano dito. It's what do you call this one na ulit? No, it's powder area. They call it like that. And then, aside from this one,
I don't have
ito na.
powder.
Something like that. Yun lang naman.
Pringles is for free?
No, you have to pay. So, ganito lang yung snack bar nila.
More water.
Yeah, may mga, tingnan nyo, $4 ang Pringles and everything. But I think the water is
You know
free.
those big cans? You could get those. I know $1.
Yeah. So, how was the washroom?
already lay on the bed. I'm not sleeping with him.
Yeah. Ayan din. Ala, sige.
I'm a little fish. You don't.
And then, yun nga, medyo ano lang ang ating view. Parang,
What's in there?
ano kasi, against the light. Pero kapag ganito siya, ito yung... Ayan na naman yung sigaw ni Dexa. Sigaw si Dexa.
Do the vlogging, do the vlogging.
Okay, hello guys.
Hi. Today we're gonna show you a tour of the hotel.
Okay.
Look at this. Open
inside?
this.
You can see the safety box.
Yeah.
They call it, and then the fridge.
And then you see the fridge. And
Let-
inside it is
Let's-
this.
Oh, it's only something like it's on already? No.
It's
Oh
coffee.
yeah, yeah. Wow, and then we put our things on here. Get mommy's bag. We can put here. And my hat.
Where Missy, no, where Missy.
Okay, they have also
no,
their...
where Missy, I'm allergic to glass.
Yeah, it's okay lang naman. And then, what about the washroom?
Wash my hands.
Okay, sorry
What's
about
the
that.
toothpaste?
They have two sink.
Where's this?
Okay, what do you like? Okay, they have a soap here. Yan.
Can I open it?
Yeah, you can open it and then we will look into this too. Okay, ganito lang naman they have like this.
This is stinky.
Yeah. So,
I already peed in there.
okay, sorry, you did not wash it. Body bar, meron silang makeup remover din. Yan, dalawa. And then they have their body wash and shampoo. So kami, kapag nag-travel kami, nagdadala kami. Yan ako, hi! Laka na dyan, eh. Nagdadala kami ng sarili naming toothbrush kasi mostly nakita nyo naman walang toothbrush dito. So ito ang uso dito sa Canada. Sa ibang country na puntahan namin, I mean. Sa ibang country meron silang kasamang toothbrush. Like Hong Kong, Singapore nang pumunta kami. But here wala. Napansin nyo wala. Oh, naglinis na to ng kamay niya. Yan. So ano na Dexa, naghugas na to ng kamay, which is good. Maghuhugas din ako ng kamay ko. So, enjoy guys! Ayan si Daddy, nag-isamplang na sa bed. Naka-selfie na daw si Dexy. I will give you some nice view here kasi hindi siya against the light. Okay, so, ayan. See you! Ano lang muna, pahinga kami saglit. Okay. Okay, this is their indoor. Yeah. Saglitin ko lang na i-video. Yeah, and then that's the outdoor. Thank you. Ayan, ang ganda ng place na to. So, ito yung outdoor niya. Lumabas ako saglit. Kasi nandun si Dexa nagsiswimming. Yan. So, indoor yung swimming pool. So, I think dito yung room namin din. Mountain view kami. So, nasa 8th floor ata kami. Hindi ko natandaan. Yan. So, meron siyang veranda here. Yan. No, meron siyang gym dito. Ayan. Ang ganda din. Ganda din. Tapos, ito yung view mo. So, akala ko meron siyang outdoor na pool. Nagkamali pala ako dun. Wala pala. Eh? Nasaan na yung batang? Hindi ko nakita si Dexy. Dexy! Dexy! Nasaan na siya? Ito. So, may mga restaurant to. Tomorrow siguro ita-try namin yung breakfast nila. Si Dexa ay busy sa kanyang swimming. Yan. Maganda yung water din nila pala kasi nga di ganun kalamig. Careful ah! Okay. Sige. Sa mountain view pag dito ka. Outdoor. Tapos may entrance siya dito sa side. Going to the pool. And then the spa. Yan, mag-i-inquire ako sa spa kasi meron kami massage. So they have their indoor pool dito sa hotel na to. So ayun, galing ako kanina dun. Yeah. So this is their hot tub. Yeah. And then, ito, yung pool na. Ang, ano lang, downside lang nito, wala silang pool for kids. Kasi, masyadong, ano to, malalim. Although, you can assist your kid, pero malalim siya for us. Kasi si Dexa, lubog siya eh. Good thing, they provide yung mga ganito. Mga life vest. So, pakita ko lang sa inyo. And then, they have their gym there. Ayan. So, gusto mag-gym, free din siya. Okay, you can use it. Yan, so ayun, malulubog pa ako. Lulubog din ako maya-maya. Yeah, so kami na lang natira. Ano na siguro yung mga iba na nag-aaral na enjoy.
You might tell me why
Don't push me, I have my phone.
That's not your iPhone.
Let me push you.